Let us take an example. 1011. This is base 2. We need to convert this to decimal of base 10. For converting to decimal from binary, this is 2 power 0, this is 2 power 1, 2 square, this is 2 cube. This is 2 power 0 into 1 plus 2 power 1 into 1 plus 0 into 2 square plus 1 into 2 cube. Just all add 2 cube into 1, 8 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 power 0, 1. This is 11. We can also check another way. This is 1, 2, 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 2, 10 plus 1, 11. So this is 11. We will see the fractional value also. 101.01 base 2 to certain decimal value. This is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square. Here after 2 power 0, this is 2 power minus 1. This is 2 power minus 2. So here 2 square into 1 plus 2 power 1 into 0 plus 2 power 0 into 1 plus 2 power minus 5 into 0 plus 2 power minus 2 into 1. 2 square is 4 into 1, 4 plus 2 into 0, 0, 2 power 0, 1 into 1 plus is 0 plus 2 power minus 2 means 2 power minus 2 which means 1 by 2 square equal to 4 plus 1 by 4. 4 plus 1 by 4 is nothing but 0.25. This is 4.25. This is from binary to decimal. Now we will see from binary to octal. For converting from binary to octal, first of all we need to convert this binary to decimal and this decimal to octal. Instead of this, we will do it in another way. For binary, we require 2 bits. For octal, 3 bits. Let us take an example of binary, which is 10110. We need to convert this to octal. For octal, we are using 3 bits. Here octal we are using 3 bits. So here in binary 3 bits is equal to by octal number. So separate these 3 digits and here 3 digits. Here there is no 3 digits. So you can add 0. So this is 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. This equivalent value is convert this to normal decimal form. This is 1, this is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square. This is 2 square 4, 4 plus 2 6. This value is 6 and this value is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square. This is 2. This value is 2, 6 in octal. Similarly, we will see the fractional value. 0, 1 in binary to octal. And I am adding another one. 1, 0, 1, 1. Here this is integral part. Separate this integral part and this 1, 0, 1, 1 fractional part and this is integral part. Move from right side to left side. And this is 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 and this 1. For representing in octal we need 3 bits. So we add another 2 zeros. This equivalent value is 4, this is 2 square and this 1. This is 5 and this is 1. And for here decimal, here we need to travel from left side to right side. And this is 3 digits. And after 1 we have no digits. So we will add 2 zeros. So we will add 2 zeros. This 3 digits and this 3 digits. This value is 5 and this value is 4. Now we will see the conversion from binary to hexadecimal. This is binary to hexadecimal. Same as that of binary to octal, here also first we need to convert binary to decimal and decimal to hexadecimal. Instead of that, we will do it in a easy procedure. Just take an example of binary value 0, 1, 0. We need to convert this to hexadecimal. Hexadecimal, here the base is 16. That means this can be represented as 2 power 4. For hexadecimal we need 4 bits. So in binary we will take 4 bits. Just take 1, 2, 3, 4. And here remaining this 4. Here there are no digits before 1, so we will add 3 zeros. This is 0, 1, 0, 1. This is 1, 0, 3 zeros. This value is, this is 8, 4, 2, 1. This is 8, 4, 2, 1. This is 4 plus 1 is 5. And this is 1. So the value is 15. Now we will see the same binary to hexadecimal for fractional values. Take an example of 10101.0110. 1 to hexadecimal. Take the integer part. Here we need to travel from right side to left side. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 bits, and before 1 there are no digits. So add 3 zeros. Here this is 0, 1, 0, 1. This value is 1. This is 8, 4, 2, 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. And for decimal part, need to travel from the left side to right side. Take 4 bits, 1, 2, 3, 4. And after 1 there are no digits, so add 3 zeros. 0, 1, 1, 0. After 1, add 3 zeros. This is 8, 4, 2, 1. The 4 plus 2 is 6. 8 is, here this value is 15.68. This is about binary to hexadecimal. Here simply, if there are any deficiency of the bits, for converting binary to hexadecimal, just add zeros before this digit for integral part. For the fractional part, add zeros after the digit. Now we will see the conversion from octal to binary. For converting octal to binary, the base value of octal is 8. For binary it is 2. For octal we need 3 bits. For binary we need just only bit is 0 or 1. We need only 1 bit. Here for octal to binary, let us take an example. This is 235. This is 235 in octal. We need to convert this into bits. Before converting this, we can be done in two ways. One is from octal to decimal, and another is from decimal to again binary. For converting octal to binary, we need another intermediate conversion, octal to decimal. First, we will see octal to decimal conversion. Take an example of 231 in octal to in decimal. For binary to decimal, we have done for 240, 240 and 242. Here octal this is 840, 841, 8 square. Multiply this with this with this, and this with this with 8 square into 2 plus 841 into 3 plus 840 into 1. This 64 into 2 is 128 plus 8 into 3 24 plus 1. This 128 and 25 13 153 in decimal. Similarly, we will do this for fractional value also. Let's take an example of 231.36. We need to convert this to decimal. Same here, 840, 841, 8 square. This is 8 power minus 1, this is 8 power minus 2. This is 2 into 8 square plus 3 into 8 power 1 plus 1 into 8 power 0 plus 3 into 8 power minus 1 plus 6 into the value that we are getting here is the decimal equivalent value. Instead of this octal to decimal, we will directly convert to octal to binary. So this is 235. 2 can be represented as in this is octal. So for each digit we need 3 bits. For 2 we need a value. This is 2 can be represented as generally this is 421 2 square 240 241 and 2. Here this is 2 means this is 2 0 1 0. For 3 means this for 2. For 3 2 plus 1 3. So these bits are 1, this 0. For 5 this 4 plus 1 5. This 0. So write this as in terms of bits. This is 0 1 1. For 3 0. For 2 just only 2. So 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 1. This is the binary equivalent value. Here we have seen octal to binary, octal to decimal. Now we'll see octal to hexadecimal. Take an example of 2 3. Here convert these two in terms of bits. 2 means this is 0 1 0, 3 means 0 1 1. This is in terms of binary. Now convert this into hexadecimal. For hexadecimal the base value is 16. 16 means 2 power 4. So we need 4 bits for representing in hexadecimal. So take 4 bits here 1 2 3 4. Here 2. We have no bits before this 0, so add 2 zeros. This is 4 bits and this is 4 bits. This is 1 and this is 8 4 2 1. Here only these bits are 1, so 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is 13 in hexadecimal. Now we'll see the fractional parts values for octal to hexadecimal. Take 21.20 in octal to hexadecimal. Convert this to binary. For 2 is 0 1 0. For 1 it is 0 0 1. 2 means 0 1 0. 0 means 0 0. This is in terms of binary. For hexadecimal we need 2 bits, 4 bits because of the base 16. So here we will take as 4 bits 1 2 3 4. Here is 1 2. Remaining are zeros because there are no bits present before 0. So this is 0 0. This we are added bits 0 1. This 0 0 0 1. And for this fractional value we will travel from left side to right side. 0 1 0 0 4 bits. Here we need 4 bits. After this 0 there are no bits, so add zeros. 0 1 0 0 is 4 bits. After 0 add 2 zeros. 4 bits. This value is 1. This value is 1. This value is 8 4 2 1. This value is 4. This value is 0. This is 11.40 in hexadecimal. So we have did the conversions from octal to all. Now we will see the final hexadecimal to remaining. First we will see hexadecimal to decimal. Take an example of hexadecimal value 1 and 1f. You need to convert this to decimal. In hexadecimal we know the base is 16. That means values are from 0 to 15, 0 to 9 and A to F. A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E 14, F is 15. So F value is 15. This is 115. In terms of decimal means base 10. So for 1,15 means for binary to decimal we did as this 2 power 0 2 power 1. For hexadecimal to decimal, here this is base 16, so this 16 power 0, this 16 power 1. So for converting hexadecimal to decimal, the process will be 16 power 1 into 1 plus 16 power 0 into 15 equal to 16 plus 15, which means 31. This is hexadecimal to decimal. Now we will see the fractional. 1f.2 hexadecimal to decimal. 1f means 153.2. Here this is 16 power 0 into 15 plus 16 power 1 into 1 plus, I take another bit 1, 16 power minus 2 minus, after 0 is minus 1 into 2 plus 16 power minus 2 into 1. The value which we are getting here is the decimal equivalent value. Now we will see the hexadecimal to binary conversion. Take an example of 1e hexadecimal to convert to binary. Here also there is two processes. First convert hexadecimal to decimal and this decimal to binary, but this is long process. So we will directly convert hexadecimal to binary. For binary we need only bits as either 0 or 1. For here we need 4 bits. Represent this in terms of 4 bits. 1 means For hexadecimal, this 8421, these are the 4 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4 bits. For 1 means here this value is 1, remaining are 0, 0, 0, 1. For E means the value is 14. 14 means 8 plus 4, 12, plus 2, 14. So these 3 values are 1, remaining is 0. This is the decimal equivalent value. Sorry, this is the binary value. We will see the hexadecimal to decimal completed, binary completed, remaining is octal. This is hexadecimal to octal. Take an example of 2e hexadecimal to octal. Here also we can convert this hexadecimal to octal in 2 ways. One is hexadecimal to decimal and decimal to octal. But this is long process, so we will directly convert hexadecimal to octal. First convert this into binary, because this is very easy process. For 2, this 0 0 1 0, this 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 in binary, and E value is 14. 14 means this combining these 3 will get 14. These 3 bits are 1, remaining is 0. These 2 octal. For octal we need 3 bits, so we will take 3 bits. 1 2 3. Here 1 2. Remaining this add 0. This value is here for 3 bits. This is a range. This value is 6, and this is 5, and this is 0. This is 0 5 6 in octal. Similarly for fraction also, same as the previous results, we can convert. Now we will see the conversion, general conversion. Here in general conversion, for binary to decimal, for binary to octal, for binary to decimal, and so all remaining all combinations we did. But here general conversion, here we will convert decimal value to any conversion, which means the base may be 2, base may be 3, base may be 4, base may be 5, and so on, any base. Take an example of decimal value. This is 10. We need to convert into base 3 number. For converting into base 3 number, what we are doing is dividing by 3. 3 into 3 is 9, remainder is 1. 3 ones are 3, the remainder is 0. So the value is 1 0 1. For 3 base 3, the values are from 0 to 2. Similarly, we can convert any system into decimal. Take an example of 24 base 5 to decimal. For converting this to decimal, generally for binary to decimal, we will take as 240 241. When here the base is 2, but here the base is 5. Simply this is 540. This is 5 over 1. This is 5 over 0 into 4 plus 5 over 1 into 2. This is 10 plus 4, which is 14. Similarly, we can do any number of conversions in similar way. This is all about this class. We will continue it in next video.